वाळपय बाय इलेक्शनाचेर सिनियर राणे वग्गी तो बीजेपीरूय उलयना आनी काँग्रेसीचेरूय तोंड उगडिना। काँग्रेसीचो हेवीवेट राजकारणी आनी पर्येचो आमदार प्रतापसिंह राणे स्वता आपल्या राजकीय निवृत्तीचेरूय स्पष्ट उलोवंक तयार ना। आपणे हे पयली वेंचणूक लडोवचो ना सांगिल्लें, पूण आपूण फाटली वेंचणूक लढलो। फाटली सुमार 50 वर्सां सक्रिय राजकारणी, आपल्याक लोकांनी जिखयला, लोकांची सेवा करप चुकना म्हूण राणे उलयला। काँग्रेसीचो पर्येचो आमदार प्रतापसिंह राणे आपल्या राजकीय रिटायरमेंटाचेर स्पष्ट उलोवंक तयार ना। राजकारण आपल्या गळ्यामेरेन पावलां। लोकांनी जिखयल्ल्यान 5 वर्सां तांची सेवा करप चुकना म्हूण सिनियर राणे सांगता।
I am at the moment for the next 5 years in politics.
Hence, after that,
After that, definitely I can't tell you, but I am always interested in this institution and it's doing well.
Okay.
I'm proud of it.
So as of now, you've not considered retiring from active politics for this?
Well, I'm in it neck deep. What can I do?
Okay.
I can't escape that. Because people have elected me with certain expectations. I have to see that whatever I can deliver.
Okay.
वाळपय बाय इलेक्शनाचेर उलोवंकूय राणे फाटी फुडें जाता। तो काँग्रेसीच्या पोझिशनाचेरूय उलोवंक सोदिना।
Would you like to comment on the by-poll election of Walpoi?
No, thank you. No, thank you. I have said I am not participating, so I don't think I should comment on it.
But sir, do you think there is a tough fight between the Vishwajit Rane and the Roy Naik Congress?
I don't know anything about it.
But
you ask the concerned people.
But you are the Congress senior leader.
I'm coming here as an educationist.
no, but will you ask for the wishes of the people if it comes for next elections?
See, I should be able to work, no? I've done enough. 50 years. By the time this tenure ends.
You'll be completing 50. From 72 onwards, no?
72 onwards.
So you might be serving as a governor or something?
That's enough. Now I saw myself.
वाळपयत काँग्रेसीचो रॉय नाईक आनी बीजेपीचे विश्वजीत राणे आड स्ट्रेट फायट चल्ल्या। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे। पर्येची भूमिका हायर सेकंडरी सिल्वर जुबली मनयता। ते निमतान 19 ऑगस्टा सावन खास कार्यावळी दवरल्यात। शिक्षण संस्थेचे संस्थापक आमदार प्रतापसिंह राणेन मिडियाक कार्यावळ सांगली। 1992 ते 2017 पावस शतक जाले। पर्येची भूमिका हायर सेकंडरीन 70च्या भुरग्यांक बऱ्या दर्जाचे शिक्षणाची व्यवस्था केल्या।
प्रोग्राम असा आहे। This is a program, inauguration on the 19th August. Students rally in the village. The inauguration of the program, workshops for the students on health, nutrition, conservation of mind, safety, security of girls, IT in education, career and guidance. Teachers and staff, changing scenario in education system, IT in the education system, health and yoga for teachers. For parents also we have a program. Parenting, health and hygiene and yoga, nutrition, hazards of radiations. In the school complex level, inter-high school level competitions, science model making competition, etc. Then we have the Sri Bhumika Kala Utsav, inter-higher, secondary, high school, one-day various competitions.
Participate in inter-high secondary competition. So likewise, we also wanted to organize on the eve of this our 25th year, a different competition for one day for the inter-high secondary competition, like singing competition, folk dance competition. Then we have English education competition for them, and then various types of the competitions will be enriched on one day, and then we'll have a championship. That is your Kala Utsav of Sri Bhumika.
1982 प्रतापसिंह राणेच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाला पर्यत श्री भूमिका हायस्कूल सुरू झाले।
In the village of Korean. The name of the school was given after goddess Bhumika, which is supposed to be the goddess of whole of Sakar. But education is the only solution to this problem of poverty. That's what I feel.
उपरांत 10 वर्षांनी आर्ट्स अँड कॉमर्स शाखा घेऊन भूमिका हायर सेकंडरी सुरू झाली. 1993 सायन्स स्ट्रीमही जोडली आणि 2009-2010 वोकेशनल स्ट्रीम सुरू केली. हे हायर सेकंडरीत शिकपी भुरग्यांनी शैक्षणिक तसेच खेळ, कला आणि बाकीच्या मळांचेर हे शिक्षण संस्थेचे नाव वयर काढले. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि तुकाराम मराठे.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.